page over. I'll do number 9 first. And that's going to be 15 minus the absolute value. X plus 1 equals 3. So we need to try and get this absolute value by itself. So we need to get rid of the 15 and the negative. So let's get rid of the 15 first. So subtract 15 on both sides. That negative stays there for right now. 3 minus 15 is negative 12. Divide by your negative. And now it becomes x plus 1 equals positive 12. Now that we've done that, we can break this up into our two equations. So x plus 1 equals positive 12. X plus 1 equals negative 12. Subtract your 1. Now, you can't just give me two answers that are the same value but negative and positive, guys, because that's not how it works. If you see, yes, we set it equal to positive 12 and negative 12, but subtracting 1, because one's positive and one is negative, gives you different values. So our two solutions will be x equals 11 and x equals negative 13. All right, and now I'm going to do number 15 with you guys. So number 15 is negative, or not number 15. Yeah, we'll do number 15, sure. Negative 3 times the absolute value of x plus 5 equals negative 4. So we need to get rid of this negative 3 and this 5. So you always, when you're solving for an equation, guys, you almost always add or subtract something first. So we're going to subtract 5 on both sides. And get negative 3 times the absolute value of x equals negative 9. Divide both sides by negative 3. We want that absolute value part by itself. So we get the absolute value of x equals negative 9 divided by negative 3 is positive 3. Now that the only thing on the left-hand side is your absolute value, now you can split it up into your two equations. And it seems sort of silly, but x equals 3 and x equals negative 3, because there's nothing inside there with that x to add or subtract, so your two solutions will be x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. So remember your steps. Isolate the absolute value to one side, split the two equations, solve for your two equations. So go ahead and try that back page, guys, and see how you make out.